my channel. Today I will be doing for you some carrot with ginger and lime juice. Okay, so I have carrot here, my lime and my ginger, a little bit of sugar, some water and my bullet. So, and I have my pot and my strainer over there. So let's get started. I'm gonna cut up my carrot. Yes, first thing. There goes my carrots. Ginger, carrot. Don't want this knife to cut me. No expert on this cutting thing, so I'm just gonna be careful. Right, my ginger was washed already. So I'm just gonna remove this now. And this, I don't think I'm gonna be needing anything else, any more ginger. So again, rest that aside. So my lime juice is there. Remove the seeds, guys. Remove the seeds. Okay. Remove the seeds. And remove the seeds. Just showing my process today. Alright. So I'm gonna squeeze all the seeds gone. Squeeze my blender, well, my bullet, the juice. Okay. Don't think I'm gonna need more because I don't want it to be sour, so I did 1.5 lime. Alright, this is roughly, let me use roughly 2 tablespoons of sugar. Let it be 3. Alright, or you add to your taste. You can also use some honey to sweeten, or you can also drink it without sweetening it. Okay, so if you don't like your juice to be sweetened, you can have it without the sugar. Alright, so I'm gonna pour my water now to the max. And I'm gonna cover my bullet, plug in my bullet, and then I'm gonna proceed. Get these things out of the way. get my pot ready and my strainer, and I'm going to be straining now. Okay, we're gonna add a little water in this. Right. Helping the strain. These strainer have finer holes, that's why I use this one. So you will have, when you're finished, you have less particles in your juice. Alright? I'm gonna add some more water to this again because it's still rich, and then juice it a second time. Alright, guys, I have added some more water, almost the same as before, and I'm gonna strain it again. This is a rich carrot juice. It's healthy, no additive, no preservative, good for the entire family. And since the children are at home, it's a nice, refreshing, healthy drink for them. So you can prepare it, it's easy. You just need the carrot, the ginger, and the lime, right? And some sugar if you want to add sugar too. Guys, you can also freeze the juice in a bag or some trays so that the children can have it as what you call it now, cool, so whatever it is for them to have throughout the day, because it's so hot, guys. It's really hot, so you need to make a lot of juice for your children. Healthy juice, not just juice, but healthy natural juice. Okay, so this is it. I'm done with this part. I'm gonna strain it again. So I'll go back again, guys. I'm gonna do a second and maybe a third straining. All right, I'm gonna show you that it still has particles in it. See, it's still there. I'm gonna strain it another time until I'm not able to see anything like this in it. Alright, let's get rid of this oven also. So this is pretty much the juice, so let's restrain it this time in this one. Still going. Another straining, guys. So we can stop at that straining, right? Look at how it's beautiful, nice and rich, and the color is beautiful. The reason why I use the granulated sugar to get the nice orange color. All right, juice is now complete, guys. I'm gonna be taking a glass from it now. All right, nice juice. And there I have it, guys, my carrot juice with ginger and lime. Refreshing, healthy, good for the entire family. No preservative, no additives. It's just natural, real Jamaican Carrot Juice. Okay, thank you for watching another of my video. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, thank you for coming over, and I will see you in the next video. Remember to watch my other video that will be displaying at the end of this video. Thank you, bye.